Alright, got this one done. A little windy today, but sorry for the noise. This one all done this morning. Did a full detail, clay bar, polish, wax, interior clean, did all that stuff. Turned out pretty good. I like this color. Thing under the hood. Alright, pretty much it on this one. We'll come get it here in a little while and work on that one next. Get that one cleaned up and returned. Alright, enjoy the nice day. Talk to you later.